Hey guys, it's Yam and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell beside it so you will be notified on my next video. And kakatapos ko lang mag-workout, guys. For today, I'm gonna do a nude makeup tutorial. This would be an impromptu makeup tutorial, guys, because wala lang, nude makeup and no makeup look yung pa-fresh lang sa face ang mga bet ko talagang gawin. So if you're curious about it and if you wanna know what products I used, then please keep on watching.
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you.
Today's makeup tutorial, guys, is a very simple makeup tutorial kasi yung fingers ko lang ang gagamitin ko, and don't worry, it's clean and sanitized. And I'm gonna use this Sunny Space Air Blush in the shade Moon for my lids and cheeks. And I think tatlong products lang ang gagamitin ko for my face today because hindi ko nalabhan yung makeup brushes ko. That's why. And the last product for today's makeup tutorial is this lipstick from Sunny's Face. It's in the shade Brunette. Hindi na ako magko-contour guys and mag-highlighter. Maybe sa next nude makeup tutorial ko na lang yun. But for today, lipstick na tayo. And that's it for today's makeup tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short makeup video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Comment down below what are your suggestions or what videos should I make. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell beside it so you will be notified on my next upload. This has been Yamyam saying goodbye and see you next time. Bye!